I launched the iPhone 3G modem many years ago. And then before that, I worked on some of the early algorithms, which today people are using in machine learning, but I worked on it a long time ago. CISOs want to reduce risk. That's what keeps them awake. And so I saw there's an opportunity to help customers solve that fundamental problem. Because the first thing I think that organizations find difficult with the board, as at the highest level, is boards generally say, but we have never been attacked. So why invest money in it? It's not happened to us. Oh, it might have happened to that customer down the street, but we are different. It's not never going to happen to us if we had to have a ransomware attack in a health system, or if you have an attack that shut down your power plant, you could be losing millions of dollars a day, not to mention like the reputational costs and damage.
Yeah, it's that saying in cybersecurity, you can't secure what you can't see, what you don't know you have, right?
They're so old. Or it could just be the number of devices. They say, oh, yeah, we have 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, and now we're finding 40,000. And they're like, where did these devices even exist? And then guess what? In 1 month, you suddenly have another 1,000 devices that came in and went out of your network, and you have a shock in a larger organization. Maybe you have a device and you never turned on, and you have like 100 of these devices. You never turned on 50 of them, and you go to your procurement team and say, oh, God, we are so strapped. We need 50 more. But guess what? You're not even using 50. So first of all, a solution has come very non-disruptive because it's overlay on top of the existing network, because we are talking about critical networks like industrial plants, utilities, financial systems, health systems. You can't stop them. People are the weakest chain in the attack, and people do crazy things. Somebody might plug in their USB stick onto a big machine like a SCADA controller to charge their phone. Like if I were a hacker, I would just take control and I would just take photos of every person on the street. Like it's so straightforward to launch some of this in some parts of the infrastructure that is present. An organization was buying like 2 linear accelerators. These are like the ones you use to treat cancer for patients. They cost like 3 million each. These were running legacy operating systems. And then the customer said, if I bought it by this date, I can buy it for like 2 million, saving $1 million each.
I have a dream that security has data to make the business more efficient and it can grow, because we can tell them, you're wasting money here. You're burning your team here.